Ever wondered what a driver in a computer is? Well, it's not a tiny person steering your computer, but it's just as essential. A computer driver, more commonly known as a device driver or hardware driver, serves as a translator between your computer's operating system and its hardware devices. Picture this: you've just bought a brand new printer, and you're ready to print your first document. But without a printer driver, your computer wouldn't know how to interpret the print command. The driver translates your command into a language the printer can understand, ensuring your document prints correctly. Drivers are crucial to the smooth and efficient functioning of a computer system. They bridge the communication gap between software and hardware, ensuring everything works together seamlessly. Without drivers, your computer would be like an orchestra without a conductor, full of potential, but unable to perform in harmony. So in essence, a driver is the unsung hero that ensures your hardware and software communicate effectively. Now that we know what a driver is, do you think all drivers are the same? Well, not exactly. Just as every player in a football team has a unique role, every driver in a computer system has a specific function. Let's delve into the different types of drivers. First up, we have device drivers. They act as interpreters between the hardware devices and the operating system. Think of them as the midfielders in a football team, linking defense and attack. Then we've got system drivers. These are the goalkeepers of our team, managing the computer's resources and ensuring everything runs smoothly. And let's not forget about the utility drivers. As the name suggests, they assist in improving the system's performance, much like a dependable utility player on the pitch. We also have virtual device drivers, which operate in a virtual environment rather than directly interfacing with the hardware. They're like the strategic coach, working behind the scenes to ensure victory. Just as every player in a football team has a unique role, every driver in a computer system has a specific function. Are you curious about why we need to update drivers and how to do it? Well, keeping your computer drivers updated is an essential task, much akin to taking your car for a regular service. This routine maintenance ensures your computer operates at its optimal performance. Imagine, if you will, a scenario where your computer starts to slow down, or perhaps even crashes. Scary, right? This could be due to outdated drivers, which can cause such hiccups and disrupt your work or play. So, how do you update your drivers? It's quite simple, really. Most operating systems update drivers automatically, but you can also manually update them if needed. Just remember to always download these updates from trusted sources to avoid any mishaps. In essence, updating your drivers is like maintaining a well-oiled machine. It's a crucial task that ensures the smooth functioning of your computer. Remember, regularly updating your drivers is like servicing your car. It keeps everything running smoothly.